everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're opening up my jewelry subscription Rocksbox. It said your favorite mail has arrived. So I love Rocksbox because, well, for many reasons, but let me tell you a little bit about it. So Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription, like I said, but it's a jewelry rental subscription. So you pay $21 a month and you get 3 pieces sent to you, and you can have a stylist pick these out for you, or you can select the items yourself, which is great. They have such a wide selection of jewelry on their website. It is amazing. And you get these 3 pieces and you can keep them as long as you like. And when you're ready to refresh your set, you can send them back and get new pieces sent to you as many times in a month as you want. You'll just get charged that $21. I do have a code that gets you your first month for free, so you get 30 days free trial with this, no commitment. You just have to either continue or cancel after those 30 days, so I will leave that link down below. But you also get the option to keep your items for lower cost than the retail value. So if you fall in love with one of the pieces, you can keep it if you like for cheaper. And if you keep all 3 items, you actually save $10. So that is great. I actually recently opened this. Well, it seems recent. It was probably like 3 weeks ago or so I posted about this. I ended up keeping all 3 of those pieces. So I'll link that video down below if you want to see that if you missed it. But I love this because jewelry is something, I don't know, I go through phases. I don't want to wear the same jewelry all the time, or maybe there's different trends, but I don't want to keep purchasing jewelry because it is really expensive. So Rocksbox allows me to try different styles, refresh my jewelry without spending a lot of money. So it is pretty darn great. And one thing I love too is that they send it in this reusable bag. So when you're done and send your jewelry back, you can just keep this packaging and send it right back. So that is great. It's free shipping both ways. So yeah, I'm gonna link that link down below, that referral link that will get you your first month free, and let's get started. So it always comes in this cute box. Usually the bow is tied up, just got a little undone, but that's okay. It says Rocksbox Jewelry. And on the inside, it says, but first jewelry, and in here, there is, it shows the items that came in here and talks about what you should do. And there's also a card here for jewelry care. It says, we strive to offer high quality pieces that will endure the test of time. Our top tips for proper jewelry care. So that is really nice. They give those tips. It says to avoid contact with water, perfume, or other chemicals. Take jewelry off when showering, exercise, or cleaning. And use soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces. I've had someone ask me before, since this is a jewelry rental subscription, if any of my items have ever seen used, and mine never have. They seem brand new every time. Sometimes they even have the original tags on them. So, and then here's the card with the product information. It says, what happens next? So I'll just read this quick again. I feel like I'm talking really fast. Sorry if I am. And if this was confusing, I'll leave the information down below as well. But what happens next? So rock your stylist picks. Wear your pieces for as long as you'd like. If you love it, buy it. Don't want to part with something? Purchase your favorites with your monthly $21 membership credit at rocksbox.com/rate. I forgot to mention that. So that $21 you spend each month to rent, that will be applied to any purchases you make. And then send back for more. Use the prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So everything is wrapped up in this cute tissue paper with a sticker that says XOXO. And then inside, here are 3 different jewelry bags, so 1 for each item, and then there's a return label in there as well. So let's start with the first one. This is by Alex and Annie. Oh, there's a little heart in the back. Oh, these are so cute. I thought these were really great for Florida. So these are the mother of pearl shell statement earrings. So the retail price of these is $38, but as a member, if you want to keep it, you save a few dollars. It'd be $36. So not a huge discount on these ones, but that probably means they're more popular. So let's try them on. So these are very pretty. I love mother of pearl, and I love the shells too. I feel like it's very like spring and summer, and also very Florida-esque too, which is where I live. I kind of struggled to get one on without a mirror. My ear looks a little red. It's not the earring, it's me. And the next 2 items are necklaces. Usually I go for all earrings because that's what I switch up the most, but I wanted to try some necklaces. So let's look at them both and then decide what I should wear today. So the one I pulled out is by Sophie Harper. This is super cute. It has a black heart. and this is adjustable. So this is a Sophie Harper Black Heart pendant. The retail price is $50, but as a member, if I want to keep this, it is $42. The next necklace and the last item is also by Sophie Harper. Sophie Harper is a brand I never heard of before I started getting Rocksbox, but I have really started to enjoy. And this one I really like. I think I'm gonna put this one on. So I think I swapped this one in. So like I said earlier, you have a stylist that picks out pieces for you. Usually they pick out items from your wish list. So when you go on their website and you're a subscriber, you can create a wish list, like put a little heart on items you like, and they usually put those in, and you get 48 hours to like swap out any of the items your stylist picks. So I usually do take a look and swap some things out. They do a great job, but sometimes I like just browse and like pick, you know, what I would like the best out. And this is a necklace that says gratitude, and this is something I really need to start practicing more lately. We all know the world has been a difficult place, and I keep thinking about all the bad things, but I really want to try and think about the good things in life too and practice gratitude more. So the Sophie Harper Gratitude Pendant in Gold is normally $55 retail, but members would get this for $46 if they want to keep it. And again, if you keep all three, you save an additional $10, and your $21 you pay is applied to that as well. So let's get this on. So here is the gratitude necklace. So it's very delicate. You can't really even probably read it from far away. I don't know if you guys can from here, you can let me know, but I love it. Every time I look in the mirror, I will be reminded to practice gratitude. I think that's super important, not to be cheesy or anything like that, but I love this. I have a feeling I will keep this one. Maybe I'll keep all three, but you guys have to let me know what your favorite piece is. The earrings, the gratitude necklace, or this super cute heart necklace, which I feel like I will wear often as well. So yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Again, I'm gonna leave that link down below if you're interested in trying out Rocksbox for free. Again, no commitment. You just get 30 days to try it out and make your decision. And if you do use my link, I do get some credit to purchase anything from their shop, so thank you if you do use it, but no pressure. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Stay safe. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.